Hello everyone. So in this class we can try to understand how can we launch our own web page using cloud, AWS, Amazon Web Service Cloud. So just get into AWS service account first. So get into home console, it will be looks like this. Get into the home console, it will be coming like this. Then jump into the EC2 services. Okay. So after that, so instances, tap on the instances, launch instance, select the launch instance and provide some name to that. So I'll provide some web page. The instance name will be web page here. Okay. Then Amazon Linux, I'm choosing the software. It will be Linux software, platform will be Linux. Using that, it will going to launch the web page. Okay. So I'm selecting the instance. So we have many instances. I'm selecting this particular instance now because it will be free. So we can use that one. So proceed without a key pair. I don't want to add some other key pair here. So I'll just proceed without a key pair now. Currently, I don't want to use this key pair. So I can skip that one. Then in the network settings. So I just want to add who can access my web page, where it can access the web page, right? So this is the web page. So just this is a one web page. If you want to build a web page like this, or again, so tap on this. This is a Google. Even the Google, this is also a web page. If you can also launch your own web page using AWS. Okay. For that, I have get into the EC2 instances here. So here I'm able to access this web page. Okay. So for that, they have made some network connectivity, network settings they have done. These kind of things they have made it. Okay. So those kind of things we have to do it here also for our web page also. Who can access our web page? So SSH traffic and HTTP, HTTPS, all those things I'm going to check it out because mine is a Linux, no? So I can communicate with, if I want to communicate with a Linux terminal, then I can use SSH and HTTP through web page internet. I can select this one. So I'm going to select each and everything. Okay, I have made some security, proper security I have added. Then I'm going to add some storage for that one. Okay, this is an inbuilt storage. Add some more storage, you can add it here. So I don't want to add those kind of things. So I just keep that in. Then here in the advanced details, get into the advanced detail. There you have to provide us some user data. If you want to launch your web page, how it looks like this. Okay. I'll just paste some code. This is the code. This is for Linux version code. Okay. So if is there any updation, automatically it will get updated. So whatever I have written here, those things will be visible on my web page. So here I wrote hello EC2 from, okay, from host name. This is the host name, means I will show you later what is the host name. Okay, if I want to, okay, I will add some more. This is my web page. I'm going to write it. After that, hello EC2 from this host name. So this kind of scripts you can provide. So if you want to add some images and all those things, you have to put it through HTML tag. Here you have to, after this one, you have to write the HTML tag here. How, if you want to build your web page, what kind of HTML code you are going to write it on your device. Same kind of HTML code you have to write it here also inside the user data. Okay, let me check it out all the things one more time. So this is the name I have provided and the software. So this is like a Microsoft and Mac, Linux, multiple things will be there. I'm going to use the Linux only. Okay. So if you want Windows, you can select the Windows. According to OS only, you have to provide the user data. Okay. So after that, how many web page you want to create? You want to create one with how many instances? Instances is just like a computer. Okay, this is a virtual machine, we can say. Your web page on with using your physical device, that is a laptop or a monitor, like that. You are going to write some query in your laptop only, right? In the same way, cloud AWS will provide us some virtual machine. In that we will be write all the HTML tags here. Then everything, each and everything, environment setup, requirement, all the things will be done from the AWS end only. Okay, you just need to select this launch instance after setting proper information here. Okay, provide some storage details and network security issue, all those things you have to check it out. And instance type, how many CPU and the GP RAM they want to provide it. Okay, so I have set it these things. Then I'm going to launch instances. Within a minutes, I can launch my own web page. Okay, successfully launched. Let me check it out now. Okay, refresh once. So here it was running. So in order to access my web page, I need a link, right? HTML link I want. I mean, sorry, HTTP link I want. So select the web page, I mean, instance name you have to select. Then public IPv4 address you are getting, right? Copy this one. Instance summary. See here, tap on this. It will get copied. This code will get copied. Okay. So we can check it out once it get finalized. It has to pass the security 2 times. Okay. Until that, I will not able to launch my web page till that. HTTP I have to mention in the beginning. Yes, here you can see this is my web page. Hello EC2 IP address. This is the IP address. Okay, here you can see 84. This is the IPv address, we can say. Host name 183. Here you can see 183. Okay, such a simple way you can host your own web page. Okay, if you want to add some images and all those things, some interactive you want, you can provide all those things through HTML tag inside the user data only. This is how you can launch your own web pages. So if you want to stop your web page, you can just, someone don't want to access your web page, then you can select this one and stop the instances. Then this instance cannot be accessed. Now this instance is dead now. You can't use this URL code to access. Okay. See, okay, I will write HTTP. Even I wrote those things also, I will not get that page because I have stopped that instance. So I will not get that page again. If you want to get back that instance, you can select the instance and start instances. Then your instance will be getting ready, pending. So again, it will going to relaunch your web page. Anyone can use it. So I will refresh it one more time. Let me copy this one. This code, you can see IP address got changed again. Earlier it was 43 point something, it was there. Now it will be 65 point. I will paste it, HTTP. This one. Okay, paste it. Now my instances get back. I can get back my instance. Launch your web page, or you want to delete your web page, or you want to stop your web page, you can do it. So you want to delete your web page permanently. If I refresh old web page link, I will not get be. It will be just like buffering long time. It will get buffer for a long time. In the end, it will say timeout error because that instance was not there, right? That is the reason it will not going to launch it. See here, can't be reached. The reason I'm unable to get these things. So if you want to delete your web page permanently, then you can select this one and terminate the instance. Then your instance or a web page will going to delete it permanently. if with this IP address, I can't access this one. Okay, I will paste it HTTP. Okay. See, it was buffering, just buffering for a long time. See, I can't reach out this one. Okay. So this is how you can launch your own web page with a user script. Okay. So it was very easy to launch your own web page using AWS. So I hope you learned the things. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.